Here's a quick moving update. We learned this time that the boxes, these are just too small and that we need to get bigger ones next time. Made my superfoods breakfast. Let's talk about where I was, what happened to my camera. So good morning, welcome back to the vlog. Made my superfoods breakfast. What you guys saw is half a cup of coconut yogurt, and then I do a third of a cup of non-fat Greek yogurt, hemp seeds, chia seeds, sunflower seeds, and then I cut up a white peach with a big old glass of water. I just got ready for work, heading in today to meet one of my coworkers who's visiting New York. But let's talk about where I was, what happened to my camera. So the other day I was filming a mocktail video showing you guys some of my favorite drinks, mixers, etc. for sober life, and my tripod fell over. So because of that, it wedged the lens, and essentially the lens can't retract, so it's completely bust. So because of that, I had to get a brand new one. Thankfully I had an old like G7X Mark 1 I could trade it in for, so it wasn't as much of an upfront cost, but like, you guys, stress. So now we're back in business. Things look good, but that was a minor inconvenience on my week last week. This weekend we are honestly packing and cleaning. We still have to do our clothes and our shoes. I need to pack for my trip to LA, which I'm going to be staying for about a month. I hope you guys enjoy those vlogs. I'm going to miss New York, but I'm also not going to miss New York. That'll be quite an experience for me, but we're going to clean this weekend and pack, and then yeah, everything's going to kind of be in boxes, order some takeout, chill, and have our final moments in this apartment. We're off to dinner in the East Village with one of Austin's friends. I'm wearing an Ulla Johnson dress from Run the Runway, super and sandals, YSL bag, and we're about to hit the city bikes. Well, I guess good afternoon. This morning my task was to clean this bathroom. So I cleaned the mirrors, I cleaned the molding around the bathroom, I also cleaned the walls, and I cleaned the shower. So really went in there, scrubbed, and the flooring as well. So part two will be the sink, the drawers. I also still have a few things in here, but I did clean out what I could. And then the toilet. I also brought my carry-on down because I need to pack it. And I cleaned a little bit in the closet, but all of this is trash, so we're gonna take that down to our trash room. This and the books are going to Salvation Army right now. Austin's taking me. Thank you, Austin. And here's my suitcase for LA. If I haven't mentioned, I'm going to be staying in LA for a hot minute. So I needed to pack a bigger suitcase than usual with some things. And then I've got some extra things as well. And then over here, these are some toiletries that I'm gonna pack for LA. That's gonna go in my bigger bag. And then this is my first box. It's got a lot of extra makeup, vitamins, hair things, a few purses, and my tripods. And yeah, one step at a time. Minor interruption to share with you my haul from Bergdorf Goodman. These are all some Ulla Johnson pieces that were on sale, so let's try them on. So here's the first. It's cute, but oh, why is it so dark? Sorry, everyone. Okay, here's the first. Really cute. It's a little big. I like the pattern, but Austin doesn't love it, so we'll see. Got a really good deal for it. It was $95, so really nice. And there's also pockets. And it's really forgiving. It's like one of those dresses where it just like slims you, but then billowy, so you can feel comfortable. This one, I'm undecided. It's a little loud for my current wardrobe, but I don't know. The sleeves are really pretty. Yes. And it has a belt detail right here. No pockets though, but pretty. It's time to make clean the fridge out juice. So I'm using cucumber, celery, some extra greens that we bought that I froze, apple, lime, lemon, ginger. Let's add it. Let's get to blending. I'm gonna have to blend her twice, but let's add some water. And then in the sink, I've got my nut milk bag and a bowl to strain it. And I'm just gonna add some cold water. Good amount, so that it's easy to blend. So I finished making my green juice. I made one for Austin and I. It's basically just a celery lemon. I can't really taste the ginger or anything else, which is fair. And then I made another one for tomorrow. And this is a reusable jar I got from the Bonberry Mart. Decent amount. I think this is 16 ounces. So I'll pop that in the fridge. And I can have it tomorrow. Good morning. It's Saturday. Today we are going to Modern Bread and Bagel because I really want to try their gluten-free bagels. I just had my green juice and my vitamins, and then we're gonna come back and pack our drawers along with some of the shoes and such in our closet. So yay, moving. Austin's the sweetest gem. Got me a matcha latte. Yum, 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 yum. Look who it is. It's the puppies. Good morning.
Hello.
Good morning.
Oh.
Sleepy. Good morning. So Austin's skeptical about this gluten-free bagel. She looks pretty good. Mine has everything, or everything bagel with vegetable cream cheese. Here's Austin's lox bagel. And we're gonna see what he says. He looks a little bit reluctant, but I'm intrigued for the New Yorker review.
Looks a little bit like wet and oily. I'm not gonna lie. Do you see this like lack of fluffiness here? I'll see.
It looks fluffy. It looks fluffy-ish. What do we think? Not bad, huh? Not bad. Okay, I think that's a decent rating for modern bakery. The review. We really liked it. That was really good. It was a really good bagel for gluten-free. And I'm not like a gluten-free snob by any means.
There are real bagels that are worse than that bagel.
Yeah, like the texture was good. The cream cheese was good. Overall, very, very happy with our choice to go venture and do that. So Austin and I are game planning what is left of the cleaning and of the packing. I think we have it pretty on lock. We may need like 2 or 3 additional boxes, but we seem to be okay. I quickly went to the gym, showered. I blow dried my hair for the first time in a very long time, and it feels very nice. And I'm gonna try on this dress from Revolve. I mentioned in a few vlogs back I have a wedding for Labor Day weekend, and I struggled so hard to find something that would work. I got this jewel toned dress. It's also Labor Day, which is like a really hard holiday to wear certain clothes for. Like, do you wear light? Do you wear pastels? Do you wear darker patterns, fall-esque? Like, jewel tones seem to be the safest option. So I'm gonna try this on. This is like my 4th dress that I've tried to make work thus far, and I need a miracle. This way, you're not gonna. Okay, here it is. It's all right. It's giving salsa dancer. So Austin liked another option, which I will vlog and show you guys. But this is cute. The chest area is quite big for being an extra small. So this is a no, but I like the jewel tone for sure. Good morning. It is Sunday. I'm going off to brunch with my friend Cher. I'm wearing the Ulla Johnson dress again and just some sandals, whatever I have left in the closet that I can wear. And then I'm just wearing it with my fanny pack because I haven't packed it yet. I'm not feeling well for whatever reason. I have a little bit of a sore throat. You can kind of hear it in my voice. So I'm gonna go to brunch, come back, and then we have to do the kitchen. But everything that I needed to pack is pretty much packed. I packed everything in my checked bag, which was mostly clothes and some skincare and vitamins that I couldn't fit in my carry-on bag because it was too big. Then my carry-on bag is filled with shoes, with makeup, and the rest of the things that are quite heavy because there's no weight allowance on my carry-on bag. So I'm hoping that I feel better. Maybe just need to get outside. But yeah, just sluggish and my throat is kind of sore. So I'm trying to get this vlog up tonight. It's a moving vlog / a New York vlog. It's almost 9 o'clock at night, if this will focus. So we'll see if I can get it up. Here's a quick moving update. I cleaned the windowsill areas on both sides. Finished packing my carry-on. I have a few other things I need to pack, and I also wanted to do a video on what's in my personal bag. So if I'm feeling a little bit better tomorrow, I will do one. We finally finished packing majority of the kitchen. We learned this time that the boxes, these are just too small and that we need to get bigger ones next time, but thankfully we had some extra bins for our spices, our sauces. But yeah, we had way too many. The kitchen is pretty much bare. Like, we were able to empty out all the drawers. I think this is the only one that has some stuff in it, but again, I think we're gonna throw away the toaster. She's old, she's used. I cleaned the back, the stove area, and I think Austin, yeah, pretty much packed a majority of things. And we still have some stuff in the fridge, but minimal. Just like condiments and stuff that need to be refrigerated. In terms of the closet, we're able to put these big suitcases away that are housing all of our clothes. And then anything that's hanging, they're bringing wardrobers boxes to just put in there. So hopefully that shouldn't be a problem. Up high, We just have random odds and ends, and I don't even know if we're gonna put it in a box or not, or if Austin's gonna pull it separately. I've got some extra shoes and nail supplies. This is a air mattress, so we definitely will need to figure out what's going on with that. We're also getting rid of this shoe organizer. And the bathroom is my last culprit. I need to finish cleaning this off here. And then I also need to finish cleaning inside the drawers, throwing this dirty rat away, and then cleaning this little corner. Move in 2 days, so thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next one of the moving vlog. I won't actually be here on moving day. Austin will be moving, but I'm hoping to at least get a before and after. So we'll